Hello friends, welcome back to the newest clip of FR Clips. I'm your host FRKJR and alongside Rakshit. Yeah, let's go for it. For fun, for enjoyment. So you can see there are all instruments. This app is called Hexpress. You can ratings express. So you can see express a musical instrument. So you can see it had been given 4.1 star. That's great, family friendly app. It's for just for the time pass purpose. You can see there are lots of instruments available here. So if you are a music learner, this is the best app. Yeah, it's for enjoyment. This app is for enjoyment. You can enjoy here. Music makes you feel better when you're in a critical situation. Let's go for it. You can hear the voice or you cannot hear it. This is the best app to release your stress. Yeah, so this music app I want to show you all. So if you like this video, then like it, comment it, share it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Oh yeah, have a yep update, subscribe the channel.